Hello friend, welcome back in this Angular 12 series. Today's topic is editing the first tab. In previous video, I have created one Angular application. Now I am going to edit our app. Let's move. This is our previous app. This app running in a port 5353-9. Let's see. This HTML provided by Angular CLI. Let's remove and apply some changes. So, I have removed all HTML. Let's create a input element. Input type is text. And I am going to show my title inside a paragraph. Go to TS file. Here already defined my title as a first Angular app. Let's see in a browser. So my title has been printed successfully. Let's add two-way binding in a text box. So while changing this text, this paragraph text automatically updated. For this, add a ng model equal to title. So now it's showing a compilation error. Let's check what is the error. Here it's showing can't bind property ng model since it is an unknown property. For fixing this issue, go to our module and add a form module. Here inside the import section, let's add a form module. So module is a part of Angular form, so I have added. Now let's check. Now two-way binding is working as expected. Whatever present in title field, I am able to see same text inside a text box. If I am changing anything, it's updating in both places. Let's see.